There is no denying that dinosaurs were fascinating animals. When you think about them, the first thing that comes to your mind is their sheer size. The longest and heaviest dinosaurs that ever lived were sauropods. For years, scientists have been puzzled by their gigantic proportions, and why is it that these creatures end up being so huge? Hey everyone, this is Science, simplified science to make you smarter. When we talk about dinosaurs, we can't be sure about anything. They existed so long ago that it's almost a miracle that we discovered that these creatures ever inhabited our planet. Only a tiny fraction of animals ever turn into fossils, and a lot of them remain buried, never to be found again. Discovering their morphology, physiology, how they lived and behaved involves a lot of guesswork. Modern technology and simulations have greatly assisted in this, but it will never be perfect. The same thing applies to their size. There are many theories regarding their size, and no theory is without critics. But here we will talk about the ones on which most sources agree upon. If we look at animals today, large sizes do have their advantages. The long neck of a giraffe provides it access to food sources that other herbivores can't reach. It is also tough to hunt large animals. If there are two elephants, one is small and the other one is large, the smaller one becomes the easier prey and is hunted. The large one, on the other hand, can survive and pass its genes to the next generation. With time, elephants reach their present size. This principle can also be right in case of enormous dinosaurs. Large dinosaurs were virtually immune to most predators when they were fully grown. The massive structure indeed had benefits. Otherwise, they wouldn't exist in the first place, and that too for millions of years. They also possessed hollow bones, which allowed them to carry more weight on their legs. 80 tons in case of sauropod compared to 6 tons for an elephant. To support such a large body, they would have required copious amounts of food. Luckily, during Triassic era, the levels of carbon dioxide were much higher as compared to the present day. More carbon dioxide also means more temperature due to global warming. These two factors combined to produce plenty of vegetation all over the planet. That allowed surplus food for creatures like sauropods, who can now quickly get nutrition for their gigantic body frames. That would also give a clue why the predators like Tyrannosaurus got so big. Small predators had no chance against a massive plant-eating dinosaur. One of the most confusing and most debated aspects of dinosaurs is if they were cold-blooded or warm-blooded. Most scientists are inclined towards cold-blooded due to two main reasons. First, the current physiological models suggest that if beasts like Mamenchisaurus were warm-blooded, they would cook themselves from inside out. Second, no warm-blooded animal ever attained such a large structure. Even the Paraceratherium, one of the largest land mammals to ever walk the earth, weighed 15 to 20 tons. It is believed that the gigantic bodies allowed sauropods to achieve homeothermy, the ability to maintain interior temperature despite environmental changes. As modern technology progresses, new and improved models are emerging that enhance the way scientists understand these majestic creatures. We hope that one day we will have the conclusive evidence that can solve the mystery of their size. Do hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what topics do you want to see next. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.